Okay, we're getting ready to go to the customer's house. I've got this cut out, and we're bringing the welder. The only welder I can bring is my little TIG, and we'll have to use stick. Okay, that's that other lip right there, and that's what I need to attach to. See, welds are bowed. Welds are bowed pretty good. I'm just gonna stuff it in there. I don't know if I'll be able to get any RTV in there. It's gonna be that tight. That's gonna be okay. I'll get the lid on there. Okay, good. Gotta get it past that lip right there. I got a hell of a gap right here. That's gotta go. And that everything looks good that way. I might have to bring that back just a little bit. It looks to me, marker. That looks to me like I'm gonna have to cut this off. I'll have to drill a hole here. I don't need a hole there. I'll just cut this off right here. So I get rid of that. And then this lip would come down.